Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install APK files on your iPhone. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the settings app on your iPhone. Over here, tap on general and make sure background app refresh is turned on for Wi-Fi or both Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, go back and tap on battery, then switch off low power mode. Then open up your internet browser, in this case Safari. Over here, go to the website called rocketmods.com. Once you're on the website, search for iAPK and click on it. Then tap on the green download button and wait for the installation to finish. After that, follow the final installation step shown in the tutorial on the website. This step may be slightly different depending on your device, but just follow the instructions provided. So that's basically how you can install app files on your iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.